Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming eligibility and getting yourself to a real Aadhaar enrollment center. Once done, book an appointment online or plan a walk-in. Make sure to bring the original Aadhaar letter or PVC and one valid photo ID with photocopies. You need a working mobile number for OTP verification. At the center, request a biometric update form and give consent verbally. This starts the official process and lets the operator record your intention to update fingerprints or iris. You hand over originals for quick verification, and once the operator confirms identity, they will return them and proceed to the form. Carefully review every field on the update form. Sign where required and expressly consent to biometric capture so the operator can proceed. Then, follow the technician's instructions to place each finger and your eyes on the sensor. Make sure fingers are clean and steady, because the device may take several scans to capture clear templates for accurate matching. After capture, you should review the preview on screen and confirm that the operator has entered the correct details. Once you accept, they will generate an acknowledgement slip with an SRN. Collect it and verify your mobile number printed there. Use that SRN to track progress online. Processing usually completes in a few days. If the biometric capture is rejected or fails repeatedly, ask for immediate recapture and keep the SRN for follow-up or to lodge a complaint so you can resolve the issue without losing your place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.